Hi everyone, welcome to the Victory Vibes channel.
Today we got something really special for you.
Affiliate marketing, which we
Decided that we'll start a niche affiliate site and show you the demo how exactly a person can start a niche affiliate site right from scratch to making at least 10,000 per month. In this video and in our upcoming videos, we will show you how to set up a website, find a content writer for the website, what and how to brief the content writer, what kind of research links you have to send, what kind of email you have to send to the content writer, how to generate affiliate links, how to add affiliate links to your blog post so that you get good number of click-throughs, how to generate traffic to your niche site. Maybe it is from SEO or Google AdWords or Facebook ads or through direct traffic or through email marketing. Example, niche affiliate site, and we will show proof of income and prove to you that our techniques which we have used on our niche affiliate site is actually giving us returns. So the niche affiliate site we have decided for ourselves is trimmers for men, not in. So the niche is men's trimmers. Basically, people would like to groom their beard. So we would like to appeal to that market. So the problem we are trying to solve here is to help people find the best trimmers in India. So there are many trimmers, and trimmers have their own specifications and the method of usage, the types of trimmers. So we'd like to make decision making easy for people. The target market is India, and we would like to focus on this market because we see a lot of potential in this. And also we searched for trimmers for men in Google Keyword Planner, and we saw that 14,000 people are searching for this phrase. The challenge which we are ready to take up is make at least 10,000 per month by the end of January. So we built this website. We want to drive enough traffic to this website, add enough traffic to this website, add contextual affiliate links to this website, promote the right products on this website, so that by the end of January, we make 10K per month. Once a website reaches this stage, all a person has to do is make sure the website content is being updated and make sure once in a while he acquires meaningful, high quality links. So once the website reaches this stage, the amount of work we'll be doing will be much less, and that gives us time and mental bandwidth to focus on other affiliate profits. This is highly achievable, and at the same time, this is not super easy. So this also challenges us. At the same time, it's a very reasonable goal to achieve. The reason we are doing this challenge and case study is to prove that affiliate marketing makes real money and not just another Ponzi scheme. So many people, in fact, me, even in my earlier days of affiliate marketing career, I used to think that affiliate marketing is some other Ponzi scheme, someone trying to make a gimmick out of me or trying to make some quick money, so he's trying to sell products. But I took the step and built my own website. Well, at that time, I was an Amazon affiliate marketer for US market. And I set up 5 websites. Out of those 5 websites, 4 websites failed. And 1 website gave me 10,000 per month. So rupees per month. And that exactly gave me a confidence to start digging deeper into affiliate marketing. Is that 10K figure which helped me make 10 lakhs in the next 10 months. So once I saw that real money is possible in affiliate marketing, I doubled down on my skills. I improved my skills. I spent more time researching on niche affiliate ideas. So making real money and giving yourself the validation of your idea is very important. The second reason we are doing this is to give you confidence to start your niche affiliate website. Once you see income proofs directly from Amazon affiliate dashboard, you will get more confidence to start your own niche affiliate site. And we want to do this because we want to walk you through the steps taken to establish a niche affiliate site. We want to take you through different steps which is needed to establish a niche affiliate site. Not just start a niche affiliate site, not just run a niche affiliate site, to make income through a niche affiliate site. That is the purpose of this project which we have taken up. We established this niche affiliate site. We bought our hosting on SiteGround and bought a domain at Namecheap. And then we pointed our name servers from Namecheap to SiteGround. Then we install WordPress. WordPress is the easiest content management system out there. We love WordPress, and it makes things easier because it has multiple affiliate plugins which we can leverage. In my first bonus video, which talks about generating niche affiliate sites, I did a niche idea hunt and got 3 niche ideas. One was trimmers for men, one was hair straighteners, and the other was large diapers. If you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend going and watching that video because that is a platform for establishing niche affiliations. Once I found that niche idea, I built a list of keywords around that niche idea. So for people who haven't still watched that video, I'll give you a quick demo example on keywordtool.io. So I'm in keywordtool.io right now. I'm going to search for trimmers for men. Note that I'm not logged in. I don't have a paid account. I just want to show you that keywordtool.io is still useful even though you haven't bought a paid subscription. So here we are. I'm gonna copy few keywords. Best shaver for men, trimmers for male pubic hair, trimmers for men, Amazon men's trimmers, trimmers for men's eyebrows. So Philips trimmer. I will copy these keywords. Now we are in Keyword Planner. I will enter the list of keywords. I will choose targeting is India. Google, get search volume. So these are the keyword volumes. Now I know that trimmers for men does have a high number of searches. Philips trimmer also high number of searches. So my keyword research gave me a list of long tail keywords. They are the trimmer hair clippers, laser trimmers, trimmer accessories, trimmer corn versus cordless, trimmers 100,000. So once I get these long tail keyword ideas, I will come up with content ideas around these keywords. For example, trimmer cord versus cordless. What are the advantages and disadvantages? So that could be a blog post topic. Trimmer and accessories. A good content topic on trimmers accessories would be 5 trimmer accessories you should never ignore. That could be a good content topic. So once you get a list of content topics which are around these long tail keywords, you can approach a content writer. But how you give the content to the content writer, how you give the brief to the content writer is also important. So I made a Google Doc, the exact Google Doc which I used to brief my content writer to get content written for trimmersformen.in. So I'm going to show you that Google document and how you can use the exact same template to get high quality content. Currently you are viewing Trimmers for Men topics, research, content and links. So this is the exact document I gave it to my content writer. Whenever I brief my content writer, I give the content topic, which is the boldness of laser trimmers and why you should buy one. I give the word count, how many words the content writer is supposed to write on this topic. Then I'll give the post structure. I want to make it easy for the content writer too, and also make sure the content writer has a framework so that different aspects of the article gets covered. For instance, for boldness of laser trimmers, I made sure she writes content on what exactly are laser trimmers, how laser trimmers give more precision to your beard, explain the technology. Is it safe to use a laser trimmer? I also observed that in keywordtool.io, many people were searching, is laser trimmer safe? So I want to deal with that fear. I want to assure people that laser trimmers are actually safe. So make sure that content is also covered in this blog post. and also picked 5 frequently asked questions about laser trimmers from Amazon and asked the content writer to elucidate on those questions, and also listed the best laser trimmer you can find online in India. So once you give this kind of framework to the content writer, they will be better placed to write great content. Once you get the content written by the content writer, it's time to add that content to your blog posts and optimize them for long tail keywords. And once you are done with setting up the website and all, it's important to install Google Analytics, because you would like to track number of people who are visiting your website on day-to-day basis and see which channels are working, how much time people are spending, what the bounce rates are, what is the quality of traffic you're attracting. And once you install Google Analytics, at this, you would also like to verify your site on Source Console so that you submit your site maps and make your visibility, crawling, and indexation of your website in Google much higher. It is important to add affiliate links, because only by adding affiliate links you're gonna make money. For instance, a person comes to your blog and reads the article, sees that's a buy now button, sees that there is a 4% off going on in Amazon. He might be inclined to click on that link and buy that product, and as a result you will get a commission. So first you have to pick your affiliate link from Amazon. So you have to log into your Amazon affiliates dashboard and search for that particular keyword, pick that product, and pick that affiliate link from Amazon and add it to your WordPress site. To add your affiliate links to your blog posts, we will be using a plugin called WP Link Clogger. The advantage of this plugin is that it adds user-friendly URLs. This is important because affiliate links usually look spammy. If you see an affiliate link, it contains number of session IDs, parameters, numbers, question marks. And if a user sees that a particular link which is about to click has all the session IDs, he might be not confident in clicking on that link, thinking that it would be a spammy link. And to overcome that fear, WP Link Clogger converts those session ID failed URLs into user-friendly URLs. I'm going to show you a demo of how exactly to create a user-friendly URL using WP Link Clogger right now. Currently, we are in plugins directory of WordPress. So I search for this keyword WP Clogger. And we got few results. WP Clogger, this is the plugin which I'm about to install. Since I already installed, I don't get option. If you search for WP Clogger in your WordPress plugins dashboard, then you will get an option to install now. Once you install that, you make it active. So I'm going to show you how exactly you can generate a link in Amazon affiliate dashboard. So currently we are in Amazon Associates dashboard. The first article which I'm writing for trimmersformen.in is around laser trimmers. So I would like to create a link for laser trimmer. I would like to create a link for Philips laser trimmer, because I'm promoting that product. So I see that there is a link which comes up here. So I click on Get Link. So I would pick text only. There are two ways of taking. One way is to directly copy this text. Other ways to directly copy link address. So best way of testing whether the link which you have just taken has your Amazon affiliate code in it is to analyze what exactly it is. So I'm going to show you in a text pad. So this is the URL which Amazon gave me, which